Hey y'all, it's your girl Chalk here, and it is giveaway time. Giveaway time. Okay, so here's the details. Like I mentioned in that video where I announced the giveaway, all you had to do was two simple things. Follow me on Instagram and comment on the video where I did a tutorial of the red blossom nails. Just comment done so that I know you followed me. And then I also said all you had to do was comment Chalk Nation with the number of the press-on nails that you would like to receive under the announcement video. And I also said I was only going to be picking 6 names from the jar to win 2 sets of press-on nails in the giveaway. And guess what? Only 6 people commented and followed me on Instagram. So all 6 of y'all won the giveaway. Now, out of all 400 of my subscribers, only 6 people actually commented and followed the rules to the giveaway. I even gave it a couple days. Like, okay, I'm not going to, draw the names right away. I'm going to give it a couple days after I hit 400 to see if more people are going to comment and enter the giveaway. But only 6 people did. But it's okay, y'all. Some of y'all probably shy or, don't really like to partake in those types of activities. So it's all good. I'm just happy to have all of you guys subscribed to my channel. And I just wanted to do a little giveaway to show my appreciation. So even if you didn't comment or enter the giveaway, I still appreciate you for subscribing and supporting my channel. So I want to give a special shout out to all 6 of the winners of the giveaway. Shout out to Winter Fresh. Shout out to Lauren Anderson. Shout out to Fun Size. Shout out to Tracy. Shout out to Love Chunks 71. And shout out to Shamika Stewart. Make sure you guys be looking for a DM from me on Instagram so I can get your information to send you your nails. And once again, thank you to everybody that subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for getting me to 400 subscribers. And I think every 100 subscribers that I get going forward, I'm going to do a giveaway. So I'm looking forward to the next 100 subscribers so that I could give back to you guys and show my appreciation. And if you're viewing this video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. What you waiting for? I got some great hair and nail content for you. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell so you'll know when the next video is dropping. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.